What's up everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. Today let me show you how to disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Disabling end-to-end encryption in Messenger is easy. First, we have to go to Instagram of course and identify a conversation where end-to-end encryption is enabled by looking for the lock icon. Next, tap on the three lines to access settings. Then scroll down to find Secret Conversations option. Disable this option to turn off end-to-end encryption. Another method is to long press on the specific message in the conversation, delete it, and start a new conversation. To confirm that end-to-end encryption is disabled, tap the pencil icon and ensure that the toggle for secret conversation is turned off. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.